the last session of motion chapter. That is, already we derived in the previous session two equations. What are they? V is equals to u plus at. And the second equation, s is equals to ut plus half at square. And in this session, I am going to explain one more equation. What is that? V square minus u square is equals to 2as. Let's already we know that average velocity, total displacement u plus v. We are taking the 2, no, so by 2 only. So that is considered for average velocity. And one more, average velocity we have to take like this: total displacement, object can take it, and by time taken, whole time, how much time it's taken. So that is u plus v by 2 is equalize the same, no, same value. So we can equalize these two. U plus v by 2 is equals to s by 2. In the first equation, what is that? A is equals to v is equals to u plus at. In this, if we done the subject, if you are taking the subject A is equals to v minus u by t. And for finding the time, that is t is equals to v minus u by a. These two equations are came from this, derived from these equations only. Then after, we got the value of this t is equals to v minus u by a. This value I am going to substitute in this equation. Let us compare this. V plus u by 2 is equals to s as it is written, and I am going to substitute this value in this. So what is it? V minus u. Already I am writing the denominator. Again the denominator becomes as a reciprocal. Means that becomes like this. So by simplification, doing of cross multiplication, that is v plus u and v minus u is equals to 2sa. Then v to v square plus into minus minus u square is equals to 2as. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. So we have to check out in the problems when he asks that, asking for acceleration, what's explanation, what is the equation we need to take that. Asking for displacement means uniform acceleration for this only, and we all derive this equation. Uniform acceleration means that is considering for acceleration, uniform acceleration. So in that, if you ask that, we have to take that, what's that, the terms. What is the terms? Means v is what? End velocity. Alright, here v is end velocity and u is initial velocity. Initial velocity, and a is equals to acceleration and s is equals to displacement and t is equals to time taken. So in these terms, what he has said, we have to go through that, and what they gave in that. Suppose sometimes he asks like this, but in this time is not there. If he is compulsory mention the time means, we should go to the second equation. What is that? S is equals to ut plus half at square. Here time mentioning is there. So as for this, we have to choose the which equation is suitable to solving the problem. Now, let us to find out the velocity and acceleration when the object is on inclined plane. Let us will explain by the lab activity.